Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video on Python Essentials Bootcamp. In this video, we'll learn Python 2 or Python 3, which one you should learn in 2020. So the main objective of this video is to understand the difference between Python 2 and Python 3, which one is industry standard and which one you should use if you are willing to get a job in 2020. So choosing between Python 2 and Python 3 used to be a very difficult decision for newcomers. It was because many companies still had the legacy of Python 2 code to be maintained. But now that has been changed. Like initially, I was also planning to release this course for Python 2 and Python 3, as both of the versions are similar enough that it was easy for you to learn both of them simultaneously. But now I have rejected that idea, and we'll just release this course for Python 3. As of now, every major external Python package has been updated to support Python 3, and now that problem has been sorted, that most of the packages, like there are top 300 libraries in which 99% of all of them do support Python 3. So it's easy for you to use everything in Python 3 now. So no need to learn Python 2, but still, if you get a job in Python if you get a job somewhere that uses Python 2, if you do know the Python 3 from this course, you will be easily able to work with Python 2. In fact, my myth is if you know Python 3, you already know Python 2, because most of the things are similar in Python 2 or Python 3. If there is some difference, that is in syntax. So if you know Python 3, you can just learn the syntax of Python 2 easily by searching it on Google or by searching it in its Stack Overflow or something like that. So as I have already told you, this course will focus solely on Python 3. All of the codes and notebooks and the videos have been created in Python 3, but if you are willing me to create something in Python 2, you can just leave a comment down below that video, and I will come up with the code on GitHub to give you what it's going to be like in Python 2. If you need to be going back to Python 2 syntax, it is very easy to jump once you know Python 3. So no need to worry about that. But I was just willing to let you know that this course will solely focus on Python 3, and all of its notebooks and everything and the videos will be in Python 3. So if you're willing to go back, you can just comment down below, or at any video you want to make me in Python 2, I will provide the code in Python 2 as well. So just to summarize everything, Python 3 is the future of Python. We can use Python 3 for this course. We will be using Python 3 for this course. The Python 2 code will be provided upon request. Like the whole notebooks and everything would be in Python 3. But if you request me, I will provide you the Python 2 code. And without having any further ado, let's get started in the next video with installing Python 3. So till next time, enjoy programming or hacking or whatever you are doing. Enjoy that, and till next time, stay cheeky breaky. Peace out.